a simple one skillet fish dinner. The fish that we have today is skinned red snapper, any sustainable firm fish. I pat it dry, as we do with all seafood or protein of any kind that's going into a pan. And we season it with a little salt and finely ground black pepper. We're looking to, 6-7 ounces ideally for the one skillet dish. Okay, so I'm going to take our asparagus now, and now that they've been trimmed, we're gonna just barely cut them. Giant, pretty, big pieces cut on the bias. And then we're gonna do the same with our spring onions, baby leeks, or just 2 bunches of scallions works too. So we've got a big fat bundle or 2 skinny bundles. I'd say about a trimmed pound. So we started with 1.25 pounds to 1.5 pounds for our asparagus. Then we're going to take a couple of beautiful spring onions at a time.
I like you have the different colors.
Yeah, well, it's that time of year. And we're gonna cut these, again, on a giant, thick bias cut. And we're going to cook this in one pan, just with a transfer platter, which I have sitting on the stove ready to go. And we're going to dry fry. What does that mean? Very little oil, high temperature pan. I'm using just the largest cast iron skillet in the building. And we're going to add a little bit of oil. We just don't want to use really fruity EVOO that's like really rich and green. It does not have a high cooking temperature. So we shove these guys in, and we're gonna put, again, the lemons cut side down. And we're gonna season this with salt and pepper. Okay, so now in the same skillet, this is a one skillet dinner, we're building it in stages. In the very same skillet, I'm going to turn the heat back just a bit, and we're going to add another layer of any non-aerosol spray. And we're going to put in the fish of your choice, sustainable seafood. This is snapper, skinned side up.
Why skin side up?
Skinned side up to prevent it from curling too much.
Oh.
And you always want to flip to your presentation side. In this case, and there are some fishes, and when we make a fish in a pan where we want a crispy skin, that's actually the presentation side, and you would begin the other way.
But we don't want
your
crispy
presentation side up, correct. So this is seasoned with salt and pepper, and oh, look what we're doing. We're gonna char another lemon. Delightful fish spatula. So we're looking at, about 3 minutes on each side for your fish. A little bit less usually on the second side. And fresh thyme. And then we'll spoon our sauce over everybody all together at the end. I'm just gonna transfer this over there when it's looking perfect. And we're just gonna make that quick sauce. You can use the Pernod or the vinegar, and John chose the
I'm
Pernod.
here. Otherwise,
otherwise it would be terrible.
It would be all off the rails.
Really? Splash of Pernod. Half a cup of Sancerre.
I say per yes to per no.
And our slabs of butter. And our charred lemons cut side up so that the juice goes in the pan and the seeds stay with the skin. Okay, so now we're going to take our veg and we scatter it back in the pan. And we're going to scoot our fish in here as well.
Scoot, is that a technical term?
Scoot, it's a very technical old French cooking term, actually.
Le scoot?
Le scoot. And then we do another technical cooking term, the tip. The tip and spoon.
Ah.
Spoon a little juice over everybody. We just take our reserved tarragon and parsley. Scatter that all over. There we go, guys.
Wow.
Lovely.
Round of
Yay!
applause.
Round of applause.